It's a certified 2018 Cadillac CT6 sedan. Whether you're driving or being driven, you'll relish the experience of this prestige car in a class all its own. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, front heated leather bucket seats, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, hands-free liftgate, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, rear-wheel drive, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual-zone climate control, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and automatic park assist 2. AutoWeek comments, the CT6 responds with a noticeable lack of body roll and reflexes that remind us of its smaller sibling, the ATS Coupe. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us today at 754-220-1690.